Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change display color in Microsoft Excel. So how to change display color in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. So here I will tell you how to change the display color according to your wishes. First here I will change it to dark gray. The way to do it is to go to the menu. File. Drag down to the menu. Options. Here the option menu will appear. Select General. Now below here in Office Theme. We click and change it to dark gray. And then tap OK. Now here it has changed to dark gray for the display color. Now for example we change the color to black. The way to do it is to go to the menu. File. Drag down to the menu. Options. Here the option menu will appear. Select General. Now below here in Office Theme. We click and change it to black. And then tap OK. Now here it has changed to black for the display color. Now for example we change the color to black. Now here it's not only Microsoft Excel that changes, but also in other offices on your computer. Here we try to open Microsoft Word. Now here it also changes to black. We try to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Now here it also changes to black. Back to Excel. Now what if you want to restore it like all? The way to enter the menu. File. Drag down to the menu. Options. Here the option menu will appear. Select General. Now below here in Office Theme. We click and change it to white. And then tap OK. Now here it's back to the beginning. We look at the PowerPoint. Here it has changed. We also look at Microsoft Word. Here it's back too. So that's it. Tutorial how to change display color in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.